Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we have crazy things to do. And do you know guys that today this month is summer time here in the Philippines. And well see as you can see there's a lot of people doing a trending like they cook eggs under the sun because it's summer and it's too hot right now in the Philippines. So we'll see if they can cook a egg under the sun like a fool. So they are cooking now outside. We'll see. There's a my neighbor. They are cooking. They're starting to cook a egg outside. We'll see if they will and they can. If the trending people do that, if they are real or not. So we'll see if they can cook. So let's go. Let's see outside. Ninyo kalahati? Wala pa man na ano natuyo.
Maluto itlog sa init.
Let's see. Malapit na maluto. We'll see, we'll see. Okay. So the time is 11:20. 11:58. Our time is 11:58, and we'll see how many minutes they can cook the egg in the pan. Move here, move. Aray ko kainit. Init. Ala. So init in here. Today is 39 degree right now here. So we'll see. 39.1 degree here in the Philippines right now. That's too hot. Start ang mantika. Let's start.
Dito tayo lang.
Init, Paul? Hala, oo, no?
Tanawa lang kayo. Kuro-kuro na naman.
We'll see. Cook egg.
Di ba pa may git?
Ikaw lang sa kilid ba?
Oo.
Okay na.
Tama na. Pero damo na. Tama na eh.
Hi, nako. So our time is 12 and we start like 11:58.
Dira, ya kay pertikin tinit dira.
Let's try to move. Aray ko init. The pan in. Ay, Diyos niyo, marimar init ah.
Di pa libutan mo.
Too much hot right now. Look at that. I'm too sweet in here. Also it on trending and we'll see if we can cook an egg here under the sun. If you can see guys, I will show you around how hot here now in the Philippines.
Buka lang kalaha. Oh.
Oh my gulay.
Paano yung itong malutong kalaha? Ariyo, si Bordagol.
And we'll see. Okay, let's start doon. Sakto na. Sakto lang na. Yeah, parang kupan siya. Okay, let's start.
Lutong itlog, limutan na.
Let's start, guys. Okay, let's start. We'll see if our time is 12:04. No, hindi lang. Hindi pa ko kaya.
Daan, tanawa lang silang laptop na.
So our time is 12:04 and we'll see how many minutes we can cook an egg here. As you can see guys, it's boiling. It's almost boiling.
Ay ni, Donald.
Oh my gulay! Oh, too hot! This is the crazy thing that I did for today, for today's video. Hi! Wala pa.
Wala pa?
Almost luto.
Damo, pero yung...
Ano siguro white egg. Ano tawag naman ang egg yolk? Maybe ano. We'll see. So we are still cooking. Our time is 12:06 and I can see the egg white are now and the oil is boiling now. I don't know if this is real. Oh my gulay. Almost there, almost. You can see guys, it's boiling now. Look at that. So our time is 12:11 right now and As you can see, it's still boiling and it's too hot right now. Oh my god, this is the crazy thing that I did in my life. I saw the trending and here our neighbors told to me that let's try to cook an egg under the sun. So we try. We try like oh my. But it's almost guys, almost boiling and it's almost um cooking now. It's boiling. Oh my god. Woo! 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 Hala, malapit na. Oh, make sure.
Nagluto, doon ka sa tatlong o naman. Kasi ito ba ito, Uy, nasa kalsada ka rin. Siminto ba butang?
Malapit na. Oh, kumukulo siya. Malapit na. Malapit na. Luto naman siya. Luto siya. Pero ang ano, parang half lang. Naging sunny side up. Sunny side up. Yeah, I can show you guys that the heat here in the Philippines can cook egg. Because it's cooking now. It's almost cooked. And the oil is, you know, they are... Oh my God. This is amazing. Malapit na siya maluto. Malapit na siya maluto. Panawan nyo. Can sure you cook. It's almost done. Yes. Malapit na siya maluto. Pero hindi ko kaya ang init sa labas. Parang first time to. Nag-video-video lang ako kasi ano nila. Naisipan gumawa ng mga tambay dito sa amin. This is the idea of our friends, guys. Of my friends here, my neighbors. And they were laughing too much because I did a video about this. Hay nako. But it's almost cooked. As I can see, guys, the oil is boiling like it's almost done. Oh my god. I show you I cut my nails yesterday. It's painful. I'm waiting until 30 minutes and we'll see, and then I will see if we can really cook the egg under the sun. After 30 minutes,
Why na signal? Sige ka pa sa tayo, magsaw.
after 30 minutes. Yeah, that's after 30 minutes. And guys, I don't know if I think it's not real. It's just a trending. Hi. It's too hot outside and you can hear the chicken and noisy here. So that's it. It's not really cooked, but the oil is, you know, boiling. And that's all for today's video. It's like crazy. Oh my god, it's too hot. And that's all. Thank you for watching.